Alright guys, this is my 2015 Ford Police Interceptor utility. As you can tell, the lights do work, as do the bottom ones here. It took forever to do wiring on it. There were two more up underneath the plate, but those were snipped. I rewired all of the lights. Now here in Michigan, you can have them on your vehicle, but you cannot use them on any public road. Now my rig is strictly used for parades, but she has everything she had, aside from the light bar that went on top of her. I still have the brackets for that. I have the light bar, just hadn't had a chance to put it on. The lower bumper ones here are my doing. Wanted it to be as authentic as possible. The visor lights are my doing as well. These are sound off signal high to blast LEDs. I ended up trading a old Freightliner Sprinter van for it. I do have a cracked windshield. That happened because I ended up clipping a rock almost in the center of that crack just the other day, so I gotta make an insurance claim on that. But she's in pretty darn good shape. Have almost every light on the dash. And that's all because I changed the brakes about a week ago, and for some reason a day later I started had all the lights kick on. The siren control box originally was in here. All my lights aside from the lower front bumper ones are controlled by this switch. The other front bumper ones are controlled by this switch. And as you can tell, spotlights and everything work. Pretty good vehicle. Yes, the siren does work. It's all got an interlock, so I can turn a key switch off and it kicks everything off in the vehicle. Lights and siren wise. Pretty good, reliable vehicle though. It was a K9 unit. This was owned and operated by the Ionia County Sheriff's Department in Ionia, Michigan. It was one of their K9 vehicles. If you look really carefully, I don't know if you guys can see it on here because it just recently rained, but lightly on here it still says K9 unit behind where this. There used to be residue here, and you can kind of, if you catch it at the right angle, you can see it says K9 unit. Yeah, the only thing that was taken off her when she was decommissioned was the tail lamps that would have come over and stuck off to the sides out here on either side. I did have an LED strip light on it, but that got wet internally and went bad, so I have another one on order that's watertight. But yeah, 2015. She does have third row seating. Still has the barred off doors. This was the K9 compartment here. As you can see, Fido must have been really hungry or wanting to take a bite out of crime, because he definitely did a number on this edge of the overhead. But it originally would have had one seat here, and then there was a bracket and a compartment that separated this side over here from the opposite side. Fan works. What's called hot pop system works. But yeah, so That's my 2015 Interceptor. You guys like it and whatnot? Give me a comment back. Send me a couple comments, whatever you want to do. That does work. For some reasons they guess put tape over it. And then this camera works here. There's another one hidden up on the back side of this that works. And then this is a camera system here. And then there's the internet controller for Wi-Fi. And then the internet onboard does still work. I had to rewire it. Everything in here, unfortunately, I had to rewire. Still got a rat's nest. But anyways, that's my 2015 Police Interceptor utility. As you can tell, it's running and idling, runs really good. Probably gonna have to run force scan and wipe those stupid warning lights out. But it runs and drives like it should, so she got 187,518 miles on her as of right now. And the sheriff's department that owned her did the front right wheel hub, the rear wheel hubs, left and right, and then they did the timing chain and water pump, even though it evidently at that time didn't need it. So she's good to go. But anyways, all right guys, I'll keep you updated. I may add a couple more doodads to her. Believe it or not, these lights here that I'm pointing at came from Temu. They won't sell you red and blue of these kind, but you can get the blue and yellow, or blue and white, or red and white, or red and red, or amber and green, and I figured I'd go with blue and yellow. But all right guys,